Welcome back to the course again. In this lesson we're going to learn about how we can list the data or the text which you have in Microsoft Word or use bullets or numberings. Okay, an example, you can see that there is a list of things which I want to make it look like it's listed, but now I just have them in a line skip. Okay, just I went to the next line and then entered the text, but I want it to be bulleted, okay, or maybe look like listing. So if you want to add in listing or start from bullet, you can also start like adding text and start your text being bulleted, okay. But as I have my text first and now I just want to make them look like they're listed, okay. So what I can do first is select the data or select the text, okay. After selecting the text, you can see that in the paragraph section there are three options, which is bullets, numberings, and lists, multi-level list. Okay, so these three are used for listing or bullets or numberings, all of them. So we'll go through them one by one and showing like all of the procedures. So if you already have your text and you want it to look like it's listed or bulleted or numbered, okay, just select the data or the text and then click on the bullets, okay. Or if you want different types of bullets, just press on this arrow key. Let's start with bullets. I think I'd prefer it to look like this, so just select on this and it would look bulleted, okay. If you want to change it, just go back here and then change however you want it to look like. These are quite good, okay. Next, what I want to show you is how you can number them. So you'll also do the same thing. Just go to this number. If you just press on this, it will just do 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay. But if you want it to look a bit different, just click on this down arrow key and you can see that there are a lot of options to choose from. Or you can also change list level, define new number format, and you can also see set numbering value. It also works on this one. You can also define new bullet or change list level, okay. So as it is on numbering right now, so I'm just gonna select like AB. I think it looks better. Or you can also do Roman, right, bigger, smaller ones. Okay, I prefer this one. Now you can see that all of them are numbered. Now what I want to do is maybe change list level. If you want it to look like this, just select on whichever one you want and it will be bulleted or numbered like that. If I want to change it again, it will also do this, okay. Now what I want to show you is multi-level listing, okay. Just when you click this, and you can see that there are all of these options you can do from, and you can see that all of them are done. If you select on this, you can select or like format a single line individually. If I wanted to make it look bold, you can do that. It's also done. And you can go here, you can also change however you want it to look like. If you want it to look like this, you can also make it to look like this. You can also change it to this, okay. However you want it to be, you can just add in or format the list or listing level. You can also change it like this, and if you want to change, like if you want to select it all, just select this, and you know the shortcut key for select all, which is Control plus A, and all will be selected. So this is how you will add or make a text look like it's listed. You can also do something else. If you don't have your text already in the document, you can just first just select on this. My bad, I don't need multi-level. I'm gonna press none first, and now what I'm gonna do is start on basics, okay. Now I'll start with this, okay. I don't have any data or text, right. But if I start adding some data, let's do it almond, and when I press enter you will see that it will automatically drop a bullet, but I don't have to like select or click on this again and again. If I just press enter, okay, if I just press enter you will see that there is no bullets again. But if I go back and then press enter, it just detected some text, so it will automatically open or put another bullet in it. So almond, Then what I'm going to do is peanut. When I press enter, you will see another automatical bullet will appear up. See, milk. So it just goes on. But if you don't add in any more data and just press enter, it will just disappear and have no bullet from the next line. Okay, so this is how you can make your text listed or maybe put on bullets. So now let's move on with the next lesson.